all the way from Singapore.
Yes.
Only 2 Oxy Plus.
Yes.
So let's start the journey. How you found us, ma'am?
Actually, I was my daughter Bhumita
Mm.
was sick from 2000 since 2023.
Mm.
Actually, we were sick. Actually, we were meeting the allopathy doctor,
Okay, ma'am.
and it was fine actually.
Mm.
But allopathy will come as a side effects also.
Mm.
So for her, always she will sleep. She will be sleeping, and then they told tick syndrome like that. Everything they were telling like that.
You can't pinpoint the diagnosis.
Yeah, what is the root cause of her problem? Still, until we came to you, we are not yet finalized.
Okay.
How, because she will be normal for 3 months. After that, recurring symptoms will come.
Symptoms will be recurrent.
Recurrence. And after that, last February, it was very severe. Seizures has come.
Mm.
Till that, seizures was not there. Tick syndrome like that it was there. But
Okay, ma'am.
after last February 2025, she was having severe seizures.
Okay,
Then we
ma'am.
went to Apollo, Ayurveda, and Virechana, Panchakarma. All
You
we
tried all the
all the
treatments.
remedies, but not. She was normal,
Stable.
for 6 months. After that, the problem is recurring. So I was wondering why it is there. Then I was thinking to check for functional nutrition. Once
Very
I
good.
was checking in the YouTube, functional medicine, nutritions will diagnose the root cause of the problem, so that we can go to them. And so when I was searching in the YouTube, only Hyderabad, Vinisha, one doctor was there
Okay,
in
ma'am.
functional nutrition, and I was thought of going there because daily she's taking lots of tablet, which I feel
As a
daily,
mother.
as a mother, I feel really she won't be knowing. I will be telling that because she should not feel self sympathy on
That's
her.
true. That's true.
Self pity. So I think this is normal. I'm really worried about her health, and I was keep on trying alternate medicines.
You guys have to thank your mother, because not all the mother will search for this kind of solution. They will fall for the same pathway. So if they can't find a solution, they will fix up their mind. So we don't have an answers. So your mother is something unique.
So I was thinking endocrine specialist will help her because of some nutritional deficiency or something. For her thing is everything is not proper. So I was searching, and my father was telling actually one place in here is Ayushman.
Ayushman.
Naturopathy. We were coming to that, but that place is not suitable for children and all. And for adults it is okay, but it is not proper. It is like Siddha oriented.
Exactly.
But we cannot find the proper. My father was insisting, I want only MBBS doctor.
MBBS doctor.
Then I told you should detox your gut or something.
So
but
for the detox itself,
Detox-
your father needs a MBBS, doctor. Best.
Then my father is very much trusted to allopathy rather
Very good.
than alternate medicines.
Superb.
Because self-certified solution is not there. So that I was searching. Then suddenly I got in Chennai Priya CB doctor and CB doctor is doing there. And I was going through the profile MBBS functional nutrition. Then I got
MD auditing.
MD, because I did not. I searched for functional nutrition.
Very good.
Then if I got that, I thought entire problem will be resolved.
Superb.
So
So functional medicine doctor with the MBBS degree.
I was astonished after seeing that.
Thank you.
After that only I was trying to connect with you. Then from Singapore we called and we were
It's a conversation.
And after I talked with you, no doctor was telling that her problem will be vanished within this many years. No, they told it will
Lifelong.
How it comes, how it will go like that. But when the probability it will be getting she has to be free of medicine.
Free of medicine, and she is just 19.
19, and daily activities is also for her is a stressful event.
Difficult for her, very
Uh,
difficult.
Very difficult. So I don't want my daughter to be in that phase.
Best mother. Okay.
So, but they won't be knowing. Daily, I'll be thinking how to cure, and like that, I will be thinking each and
One
every
thing I
day.
have to say this, ma'am, because all the way from Singapore, it's not an easy decision to
Yeah.
pack your luggages, to schedule your work,
Yes.
and to confirm the schoolings and everything.
Because
You made it possible.
Yeah, because October itself I want to come because of my work schedule. I couldn't make it, and February also. To my mother, really, I want my mother and father to come here,
Great.
but they won't come unless I uh, give confidence to them.
Very good.
So I was thinking.
So only people who step in, they know what is going on inside this place.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
So after that, I came here. The environment, ambience is very
Thank you
good
so much.
actually.
Mm.
So
You don't feel like in hospital.
Hospital, and
At home.
after I talked with you, and you told that it will be curable, and within 3 months you give time, I will cure her. Nobody said like that.
Understood, ma'am.
So I was really okay. So many ways we tried. Let us hope for this. Then we tried. We came here and we met you.
Initiated the treatment, and results.
Yeah. When actually I was about to start for my daughter only, but what I was thinking, first let us try. When
Before-
you before, because if we feel good only, then we'll start it. So simultaneously, okay, we will
You,
try it.
mother and the father started the detox.
So whatever, then when we spoke with you, we got the confidence.
Very good.
That is the
Thank you so much.
thing. So I thought
And
this is
people
the
will
correct
think after
approach.
seeing this video, maybe it's a 15-day tour to India. It's hardly 2 days trip. So yesterday you arrived and today you are leaving back. In this 2 days itself, the elder one is saying you had a best sleep yesterday. So the power of right detox and right diagnosis is the main thing, ma'am, when it comes to functional medicine.
Functional medicine.
So, and it's more than that, precision medicine we can say.
Yeah.
So it's very precise.
Because you are explaining the protocol also very sure. Because some protocols, why always IV, whether we should, because instant remedy should not be there. Okay.
That's true.
Then I was hesitant, why instant remedy? But I know the ferritin is low.
Very low.
It should be treated with the IV only.
Understood, ma'am.
That also you have given correctly. Actually, my husband's without
Vitamin D.
seeing also you have suggested vitamin D dosage.
Very good.
So really, I thought it is very correct approach.
I personally feel, ma'am, when it comes to a holistic healing, so the doctor, more than the doctor-patient relationship, you should be open up. You should open up everything. From yesterday itself, it took me 45 minutes for a consulting every people. And moreover, at the end, we came to a conclusion that this is the problem. This is what we are going to do. And we have a short time. So can we do it? Yes, and we did it.
Yes.
And maybe after 3 months, once you're coming back from Singapore, we'll do one more testimonial so that her quality of life has improved. The entire family should feel healthy.
Healthy, yes.
And finally, Oxy Plus in one word, if you wanted to say it.
Oxy Plus in one word is having hope.
Hope.
Hope, yeah.
Thank you so much. And with respect to Bhumita, can you share your Oxy Plus in one word?
Home.
Home. Home and hope. Thank you so much. So you wanted to share, please? Please, yeah.
Unexpected.
Unexpected. Add-on treatment. So please, நீங்கள் ஒரு வார்த்தை என்ன தோணுதோ சொல்லலாம் சார்.
What we are expecting is good for health.
Very good, sir. Good for health. Very good. So thank you so much. I have to thank you. And moreover, finally, so people who are seeing this video, அவங்களுக்கு என்ன டேக் ஹோம் மெசேஜ் இருக்கணும்னா, இங்கே வந்தால் கண்டிப்பாக ஒரு க்யூர் ஆகும். ப்ளஸ் இங்கே வந்தால் அந்த ட்ரீட்மெண்ட் பேஷண்ட் டாக்டர் ரிலேஷன்ஷிப் மீறி அந்த பாண்ட் வந்து இட் வில் பி லைஃப் லாங். ஸோ நீங்கள் வந்து அங்கே போனால் கூட உங்கள் நேம் மென்ஷன் பண்ணி எனக்கு உங்கள் மெசேஜ் வந்துச்சுன்னா ஐ ரிமெம்பர் ஃபார் த லைஃப் லாங். அண்ட் நீங்கள் ஒரு சளி இருமல் காய்ச்சல்னா கூட எனக்கு கால் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ ஆல்வேஸ் வில் பி தேர் இஸ் அ கனெக்ட். தேங்க்யூ சார், தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச்.